Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can get a trending love veiler video edit in Alight motion. So it's perfect for Reels, Short or TikTok. So first you can just import media. You can add a sad couple picture or a breakup clips maybe, or someone crying like this, and then you can just add a sad song or instrumental, and you need to cut to the main beat drop. You can click on the plus button and go to audio. In here, find the audio that align with the sad or love veiler theme. For example, here I'm going to just add this audio as an example. You can adjust the part that you don't need, like this, for example. And now you can also add a text overlay. You can use emotional quotes or lyrics. For example, I'm going to just click on text. I'm going to add fine it's wave, let's say. And then here you can change the font, and you can use fonts like Montserrat, Oswald or handwriting style. Let's say I'm going to use this one in here and change the color to white, just the size, and I'm going to move it in here. Okay, hit on the check icon if you're done with the text. And now you can add motion effects like shake effect, but mild only for emotional impact. You can also add zoom in or out animation in here. Let's say I'm going to just add a zoom in here. But make sure that the zoom like this. You can also adjust the duration, and you can also add a blur or vignette effect for mood. Let's find if there's any vignette effect in here. Okay, this one. And if you want to, you can also add broken heart animations, import as a PNG, and use keyframes to crack or shatter on beat. And for color grading, you can add a dark blue or red tones for emotional mood, and you can use overlay blend mode with texture for cinematic vibes. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can make a trending love veiler edit in Alight motion. Try this with your own photos and music to go viral on short or reels. So that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.